Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Ticketing course. My name is Saddam. I am your ticketing instructor. As I promised you on my last video that I will teach you everything about the travel and airline industry. So here I am. Let's begin the journey. So before starting the airline software, you should be aware about the IATA and TC areas. So let's start the IATA. What is IATA? So whatever you see in the aviation industry, everything has been designed by the IATA only. IATA is the International Air Transport Association which was formed in 1945 in Cuba, Havana. It is the successor to the International Air Traffic Association, which was formed in 1919. So you can imagine that IATA is governing the aviation industry since 1919. So now the question is how IATA was started or how IATA was formed. So IATA is a trade association of world's airlines, which was obviously founded in 1945. What IATA does, IATA supports airline activity and helps to formulate the industry policy and standard. In addition to setting the also organized tariff conferences that served as a forum for price fixing. So headquarter of IATA is in Montreal, Canada, and as of now there are more than 290 airlines and 120 countries are the member of this particular organization. So this is the very important organization in the aviation industry. Now moving to next topic, IATA has divided the world into three different areas, which is known as a TC area or traffic conference area. So IATA has divided into three different areas. First one is traffic conference area 1 or TC area 1. Second one is TC area 2 and third one is TC area 3. Now let's see the continent as per traffic conference area. So North America and South America is a part of Traffic Conference Area 1. Europe, Middle East and Africa is a part of Traffic Conference Area 2 and Asia, Russia and Australia is a part of Traffic Conference or TC Area 3. So these are the continents which has been divided into three different areas. Now the country list of as per traffic conference area. So in the TC area, you know already that North America and South America is the part of traffic conference area 1. So these are the country list which comes under the TC area 1. So you can pause the video here, you can note down the all country name as per TC area 1. Now we are moving to TC area 2. So as you already know that Europe, Middle East and Africa comes in TC area 2. So these are the country list of TC area 2 according to the continent. You can write down the name and you can remember the every name as per the traffic conference area. Moving to next topic, which is traffic conference area 3 or TC area 3. So in TC area 3, as you know, the Australia and Asia comes under the TC area 3. So this is the country list of TC area 3. You can pause the video again and you can remember all the country name as per TC areas. Now we'll talk about the continents. So as you know, there are seven continents are in the world. One is Asia, Africa, uh, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So these are the like seven continents, which is very important, and you should be aware about this one. So remember all those things which I have covered in this video. Moving to next. So this is your homework. As I told you earlier that I have covered all important topics. So read about the IATA, read about the TC areas and the continent names. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you on the next class on next video. Thanks everyone.